Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make a completely non-fat tartar sauce alternative by using non-fat sour cream or plain non-fat yogurt as the sauce's base. For each 1/2 cup of yogurt or sour cream, mix in 1 tablespoon of pickle relish or minced pickles, minced onions, mustard and fresh or dried parsley.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tartar sauce. 1 cup of mayonnaise. Do not use Miracle Whip for this recipe. 1 cup of finely chopped dill pickles. 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to McDonald's website, the ingredients for the actual tartar sauce that goes on the filet-o-fish include soybean oil, pickle relish, calcium chloride, spice extractives, polysorbate 80, egg yolks, water, onions, distilled vinegar, sugar, spice, salt, xanthan gum, potassium sorbate, and parsley.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.